Croatia has a special place in every Hungarian motorcyclist's heart. Not because of the old common history of the countries, but because this is the closest warm place which we can visit earliest in every year. All other surrounding countries have bigger mountains, but they are cold in the spring and the interesting passes are probably closed. If we don't want to take a big risk on the weather, we should go south, and the shortest route to the sea leads us to Croatia. Probably to Istria, but there's so much more to this country. We are not going to leave the paved road for now, but on many islands there are great off-road tracks also. So naturally, we are a regular here for shorter or longer rides since the beginning of our time on two wheels. We left the motorway as soon as we reached the first notable mountains after Karlovac. Riding through these roads were strange, they felt empty. I remember before the motorways, these roads were packed to a standstill during the summer on every Saturday. The resting places were a place of business, the locals were selling cheese, honey and other products. We have left all of this in the past, and the roads were the playground for motorcyclists. Okay, it was still just at the end of the spring, but it felt different. We were so happy when we finally spotted the sea in the distance. Not just a milestone in our journey, but the actual starting block. This is where the real journey begins. We got back to the motorway to drive around Rijeka and avoid the traffic, but right after we descended back to the coastal road. These parts are full of memories from the time of the Austro-Hungarian monarchy, old villas and hotels, but with palm trees and the salty smell of the sea. And now we are all in the EU, so once again we can visit each other without any borders or barriers. Some people already found the spring sun enough reason to lay down on the hot rocks, but just one or two found the water warm enough to take a swim. Clearly, it was the season of weddings. Many couples were walking around trying to find a unique spot, which was not already used a million times before. The girl with the seagull was just standing there, watching the ships, waiting for someone, only she knows who. We took a blurry photo with a tourist camera while holding two 4K capable cameras. Clearly, we like challenges. Our room was in the next village. We took a stroll and we agreed on that this was a perfect first day and the next few only could be better. There was only one small problem, which could overshadow this. My fork started leaking badly. I've tightened a subtle yellow rag there to protect the rest of the bike from the fluid since it's quite corrosive to the paintwork. Next time, we are visiting some places on the Istrian Peninsula and starting riding along the coastal road to the southeast.